Hi, let's share the outline of this course first. Japanese food was registered as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage in 2013. Surrounded by the ocean, Japan has developed its own food culture.
A variety of ingredients, nutritional balance, fermented seasonings, delicate cooking techniques, excellent cooking tools. These combinations make delicious Japanese food. Presentations are also important in Japanese food. Traditional Japanese food on beautiful tableware is unearthed.
What you will learn in this course is authentic Japanese dishes. For this course, I carefully chose dishes from a selection of popular menus among foreigners. These can be cooked with basic techniques.
This course is a step-by-step program to improve your knowledge and cooking skills of Japanese dishes. At the beginning, you will make dashi. This is a traditional broth, not a dish. Dashi is an essential element of the flavor base for Japanese food. The dashi you will master is used in the dishes you will make afterwards. The first popular dish is miso shiru. Miso soup is perhaps easier to recognize. You'll learn about miso first. Then after simmering tofu and vegetables in dashi by seasoning with miso, miso shiru is completed. The second popular dish is donburi. It is a dish topped with various ingredients on rice in a big bowl. You will learn how to simmer chicken, vegetables, and seasonings in dashi, and then cook them with egg. The third popular dish, Okonomiyaki, is a savory Japanese pancake. Although it's expressed as a pancake, it's not sweet. It's a main dish. You will cook a dough topped with pork in a frying pan. The dough is a mixture of cabbage, flour, and dashi. You will also blend a delicious sauce. The fourth popular dish is udon. In this lesson, tasks become more complicated. You will boil the noodles, make the soup, and fry the beef to make the toppings simultaneously. You will also learn about soy sauce. The final popular dish is ramen. Dashi is not used. The most exciting practice here is making noodles from scratch. You will complete cold ramen, making toppings and sauce after boiling and cooling the noodles you made. Each section describes one dish and consists of 3 lectures. In the first lecture, what is the name of the dish? You will deeply understand about Japanese food culture and unique seasonings. This lecture will be useful even for those with adequate cooking skills. The second lecture is preparation. You will confirm preparation of ingredients and kitchen utensils before starting to cook. This is also the step for preliminary arrangement, such as weighting the ingredients and cutting them. In the third lecture, cooking and presentation, you'll practice cooking and learn how to dish up. In the end of the lecture, to review the points in all the section.
All the lists of ingredients and kitchen utensils for each dishes are available to download as PDF files. They will help you to cook again on your own after finishing this course. Don't worry about anything. Let's take a step.